What you working on?
Well, hey there, sweet thing. Well, just getting ready here. Set up my fair weather cruiser. Now, when you got a mount like that, you cannot take it out in the rain. So this would be a specific high occasion type of deal. When you know it's going to be hot and sunny and no chance of rain in the forecast, you could go ahead and cruise for some foxes with your fox.
Oh, what kind of fox is that?
This is a red fox, ma'am. I shot this in upper state New York.
All right. Do you know any foxes down in Florida where you're going?
I happen to know a couple foxes. There's one of mine that I have is over in Palm Coast, Florida, right next to where we're living in Bunell.
Oh, what's her name?
Her name is Sue Plesko.
Oh, nice. I'm sure she'll like your fox that you have on the hood of your car.
Everybody in Bunell is going to love this fox and going to love this Suburban.
Nice. Sue
Okay,
will look nice riding in the car next to you down the road.
That'll be awful damn nice. We'll be the talk of the town down there, I can assure you that.
All right.
All right, well, it's been good talking to you now. I've got some other stuff to tried on here now. This is not like I said, this is just a special occasion type of high occasion rig. Mostly be going with antler.
All right.
You don't have to worry about bone when it gets wet.
All right. Peace out.
I've got stuff to do now. I got to go.